Alright, recording check. Yun, nag-record na ang ating recorder. So first things first, go to affiliate dashboard. Okay guys, ito yung ating dashboard. Gamit kayo ng tools and brush. That's it. Ito. Punta kayo dyan sa affiliate dashboard. Yan, dito sa affiliate dashboard, makikita nyo yung inyong tawag doon, yung referral bonus. Okay, ang lahat ng yung bonus. Okay guys, tapos yung royalty income, ito yung mga income nyo sa mga agents na inactivate nyo sa mga credits purchase nila. Tapos ito yung total commission. So meron na tayong 17,000 na total commission. Tapos yung na-transfer, nagiging travel fund natin is 13,000. Okay, so meron tayong available na 3,116. Ito yung ating i-convert as travel fund. Okay, so yan. Alright, okay, click nyo lang itong transactions. Yan, i-click nyo yan. Tapos ito yung lalabas, no? Transfer commission. Meron dyang tawag na available commission, yan yung transferable. Okay, so sabi dyan, transfer commission transactions are automatically converted to travel funds. Please double check the receiver's information. Once submitted, we are unable to cancel a transaction. Okay. Yan, so ngayon, so meron siyang transfer fee na 20 pesos. So, okay, select ko lang. So dito, yan, once na select nito guys, ito drop down na menu, drop down na ito yung lalabas, no? Yan, meron dyan own account or agent account. So sa agent account guys is dito yung inyong travel fund or commission ay pwedeng ilipat or i-transfer doon sa inyong co-agent para gamitin nilang travel fund, no? Yan, so kailangan ng account ID. Okay, so since ang gagawin ko is yung commission ko is gawin kong sariling travel fund, so ang isi-select ko is yung own account. Yan, so enter amount. So yan, yung i-enter ko is 3,000 na siguro. Yan, hindi, 380 yan, no? 380 minus 20, so 3,060 lang yung aking marireceive. Right? Nangyari. So yun guys, no? Nag-transfer ng ating tawag doon ang ating travel fund. So natira na lang is 36 pesos and 75 cents. So after nyo dyan mag-click ng select ng destination or own account or agent account, tapos yung amount, tapos click submit. So ganun lang kasimple paano tawag doon, mag-convert o kaya ay mag-transfer ng commission doon sa gawing travel fund o kaya i-transfer sa agent. Okay, so check natin yung ating travel fund. Yan. So, available commission, transferred commission, 70,000 na siya. So, yan. Punta tayo sa ating travel fund. Yan, so meron na tayong 4,250 na travel fund. Okay, so dati yung travel fund na natira ko is 1,000 plus lang. Tapos meron siyang 3,000 na incoming. Ito, wait. Yan. Itong 39, ito yung nagiging tawag doon, nagiging fund request ko. Yun, yung commission ko ay nagiging travel fund. Yan. So yun guys, no? Ganun lang kasimple paano nga ba mag-convert ng yung commission into travel fund or kaya ay transfer to co-agents. yung inyong travel fund. Para mag-transfer ng travel fund or commission doon sa travel doon sa co-agents is need lang yung 8 characters na tawag doon account ID ng agent na papasahan ng travel fund.